Hey there, it's Michael here, and welcome back to another Happy English Saturday Short, your quick tip for speaking English better. Today, let's look at a commonly used conversational phrase, by the way. We use by the way when we want to add something to the conversation, kind of like when we need to change the topic or bring up an extra point. It's casual, friendly, and super common in everyday English. Like, if you're at a party catching up with a friend, you can say something like, "It's great seeing you tonight. Oh, and by the way, how's your brother doing?" Or, if you're talking to a coworker about something and you want to add another point, the conversation can go like this. "Yeah, I finally finished that coding project this morning. Oh, and by the way, did you get a chance to check your email?" Using by the way is like saying, "Oh, there's one more thing," but in a natural conversational way. By the way, what do you think of these Saturday Short podcasts? Leave a comment below at myhappyenglish.com or come tell me on Instagram at happyenglishny. And don't forget to follow or subscribe so you won't miss the next Happy English podcast and next week's Saturday Short. Thanks for listening, and until next time, keep learning and keep it cool.